to week 3 of my wellness journey. When I tell you, you guys are the real MVP. I'm not even being funny, y'all. When I posted this on TikTok, I posted this on Instagram, the amount of support that I've literally gotten from you guys is just like amazing. Thank y'all so much. And there's something about just like speaking certain things and building your own community. I'm realizing that, y'all, I'm not alone in this. There's a lot of us women in particular that are just trying to get a better hold of our health. Like a lot of us are trying to change our lifestyles, eat better, move more, whatever the case is. So I felt really nice. I was like, yo, I'm really not alone in this. It was very, very encouraging. So many of y'all have been sending me messages or commenting on my posts like, yo, like you got this. I'm trying to lose this too, or I'm trying to gain, whatever the case is. So, it feels hard. Some days are worse than others, but I really, really gotta keep going because I'm not alone. I'm not alone, which was the whole point of this video. So thank you guys so much. Yeah, I'm really, really excited. For breakfast today, we are having a smoothie. And we are also having some avocado toast. Let me just show y'all real quick. Just avocado right in there. Nothing too wild or whatever the case is. Because today is gonna be a busy day. And I know for me, when the day is a little busy, sometimes I find myself getting really hungry. Just like not staying focused. So what I'm gonna do is, this morning I'm actually gonna eat the toast first. And as I'm going throughout the day, I'm gonna be sipping on the smoothie. That way I'm getting my nutrition. That way I'm not having to feel like, okay, I'm so hungry, let me stop by somewhere, nah, we're not gonna do all of that. And when I come back home, I'm just gonna figure out a lunch. Probably gonna make, a salad with the same pizza thing that I made last week. I'll probably do that. If not, I'll just do a salad. Whatever the case is, we'll figure it out. But I should be home by 3. So I have this, and I'm just gonna be drinking half a gallon of water because too much water is also not good for you. I'm already seeing, the transformation with my mindset and all of that stuff. So God is good, y'all. God is good, and God is helping me through this. So yeah, I'm excited. Let me go ahead and get out of here, and I will check in with you guys at lunchtime. Ready, so we're at lunch now. Yeah, I will not believe it. It's literally 4:25. Just ran a little behind, but I stayed through. I did not go buy anything. I did not go eat out, do none of that stuff. So now we're having a salad because I'm so hungry. I picked up this rotisserie chicken just for extra protein or whatever the case is, and this is some of the remaining salad. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'll probably go back for him. I'm gonna just be honest with you right now. I will probably go back for that salad depending on how I feel. I still have ways to go with my water, but we're still working on it. I just still was hungry. Because one thing about a salad, it's gonna melt in your stomach. It's gonna melt in your stomach like you just drank some water. I needed a second one, so. Alright, so for dinner, we're just finessing things at this point. We have some broccoli. I roasted them in the oven. We have some rice, and we have some salmon. I was making a different dish, so the salmon's a little bit, scrambled. But that's the whole situation. I just sprinkled sriracha sauce on it just for some flavor. But yeah, here's dinner and water. I'm not doing my best. I have to be honest, I'm not doing all that great, but we're gonna keep pushing. Yeah. Welcome, people of God. This is what I'm having for breakfast. I gotta get out of the house. I didn't have enough smoothie stuff, so this is all I had to make. I made that. In here is just almond butter and honey, and for a snack later, if I get hungry before I come back home, I got these savory almonds. I'm just gonna get like a few of them and drink my water and keep it pushing. So see you at lunch. Alrighty, so we have lunch. I'm having 2 scoops of rice and the chicken from yesterday that I got, the rotisserie chicken, and some of the broccoli that remained from yesterday. I'm just like literally I mix it together through some sauce that I had in the fridge, and I don't know what this is gonna taste like, which is why you see a little bit of the blue cheese, just to find the joy in this. I am hungry, I know that for a fact. So see. Already, y'all, this is dinner. I ordered from my favorite Thai food place. I told y'all it's that time of the month. I'm just like struggling. I'm really tired. I feel all over the place. This little soup comes with rice in here, like blue rice. Let me show y'all just so y'all could see. It's the rice it comes with. But I already had rice earlier, so just on some you know, keeping myself accountable, because rice is my weakness. Really, rice is my weakness. So we're just gonna do the soup and leave the rice alone. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I have a lot more energy tomorrow, but I want to keep going, but I'm full. The greediness in me wants to keep going, but accountability, we're gonna stop right here because naturally I feel full. We're gonna stop here. We'll leave this for lunch tomorrow just to make things easier or whatever. That's growth. That's growth right here, y'all. That's my growth.
Controlled punches.
Jesus Christ. So we're having brown rice with a little bit of goat stew. It's actually less than 2 scoops. Yeah, I'm my mom, so we're just gonna do what we gotta do. Yes, my love. So we're making dinner, and I'm having wine because I just wanna have wine. That's, yeah. Already, this is dinner, so I baked like 1 sweet potato. I've divided it in 2. And that's the leftover from yesterday, and the little fresh cabbage, because you know we're maximizing on those greens. What I've also done, I've gone ahead is just like meal prep some of the stuff. So the sweet potato, the remaining sweet potato, I just added some cabbage to it. I'm also gonna add some goat meat that's cooking right now. Add that to it later. I made black bean rice, so I put like 1.5 serving spoon in this and 1.5 serving spoon in this. Plenty of cabbage, and I'll put a little bit of just goat, like maybe 1 piece of goat to each, and I should have that for the next 3 days just to help me not be all over the place, right? So that's that. And one more look at dinner. Hey y'all, it is Thursday, a bit of a busy day, so I didn't get to make a smoothie, eat at home, or whatever the case is. But I just put in a good, really good workout. I worked out for at least 40 minutes, and I came by myself. So I just wanted to come on here and just encourage you, like, you can do this. Show up for yourself. Even if you don't have somebody to go with you, try at least once a week to get it in. Even if it's by yourself, get it in. I did my own little workout. It was nice. Tomorrow I'm meeting with my dance teacher for a workout, and then Saturday I'm meeting with my sister at the gym, and I'm also working out with a friend on Zoom. So on Saturday I'm probably gonna get in like at least an hour workout, which I'm excited for. But just wanted to encourage you, and also to big myself up. I did it because I struggled to go to the gym by myself. I was supposed to meet somebody, but they couldn't because they're just like not feeling all the way there. And old me would have been like, well, I guess we're not working now. But I was like, you know what? I said I was gonna go, so let me go. So yeah, this is lunch. Meal prepping is always a good idea for me. I wish I always had time to do more of it, because I just came home, I'm tired, and guess what? I don't have to figure out what I'm gonna eat because it's already right here. I showed y'all already 2 scoops of black bean rice. I have some cabbage, and I just put like 1 piece of goat meat and a little stew over here, nothing wild. And that's it. We're gonna have lunch, and for dinner we'll have yet another meal prep, probably the sweet potato, just to switch it up. What's up, beautiful people? It is Friday, and when I tell you this week has been a lot, it's been fun, but it's still been a lot nonetheless. So I feel very much low on energy. So I stopped by Dunkin' and I got myself a small coffee, caramel latte coffee, just to kind of give me a little bit of a boost, because today I have 3 cleaning to do. So I probably will not be done cleaning until about 4. I probably will not make it home until about 4:30 if I'm being honest. And thank God for the meal prep. It came in clutch. So I literally brought my meal prep with me in the car. It's the sweet potato one that I showed you. I'll show it to you guys at lunch again. But I brought this because one of the places that I'm gonna be cleaning first, like I know the family, I'm very cool with the family. So I just got myself some suya as well. For those of you that are Africans, y'all know what this is. If you're not, it's just like a really seasoned meat that's grilled to perfection. It's a little spicy for me, so I gotta kind of dust off some of these things. But yeah, that's what's happening. Alrighty, so here's dinner. I am having jollof rice, 2 plantains, and a meat. I wanted fish, but the fish they gave me, I don't think I care for it. So we are outside, just getting a little fresh air. Go outside because part of wellness isn't just to eat right and exercise. Part of wellness is to also get fresh air, refresh your mind, and just, you know, enjoy nature, enjoy, you know, God's creation, God's everything. So getting some much needed vitamin D and just, you know, being present with nature. There's the birds, there's just, it's nice. So go outside as the weather is getting warm and just like take care of yourself in that way as well. Yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. Also, I'm having wine. Probably gonna be a glass or two. Wine will be had. This is the wine we'll be having, and yeah, that's that. Just enjoy yourselves. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Morning, beautiful people. Today is Saturday, the last day of me vlogging this. It is breakfast. I am excited to eat. I'm not even trying to be funny. This week was such a long week and I feel like I was just eating on the go. I didn't get a lot of time to just like be and just like enjoy myself. Today is that day. I'm gonna be at home. I have canceled working out because my entire body is sore. I have already worked out 4 times a week. I was hoping to get in a 5th workout, but I pushed my body a little bit more this week. So I'm feeling it and I'm allowing myself to just like be. And today I'm excited to eat. I'm gonna be honest with you right now. I'm very excited to eat. Yeah, see the avocado toast, just like avocado toast plain. I may or may not have already had half of a slice, so in total I'm having 3 slices of bread. What else is happening? I have the meal prep that I still have. I'm gonna eat that for lunch. Made myself some eggs because protein. Yeah. Alrighty, so this is about lunchtime. I think it's 1 p.m. now. I'm gonna have my meal prep. I feel like at this point it's clear to me that today is gonna be one of those days where I eat a little bit more than I've been wanting to. Not in like one sitting, but I'm just like allowing myself to just like enjoy food. Yo, it's crazy because it's almost like mentally I want to eat, but there's no space for the food. You know what I'm saying? Guess it is true what they say, like the more you work on something, like it almost becomes like habit. I feel like my stomach is shrinking. Like if I start eating right now, it's almost like it's gonna be like I'm forcing food down.